What's going on, guys? So if you missed my last episode, you would have missed that I put backrest, sissy bar, whatever you want to call it, on the bike. I don't have the padding on there yet because I gotta wait for my wife to get here, sit on it so I can see where she's gonna feel comfortable with it. If you missed that video, it's gonna be little thing will pop out somewhere. But anyway, I also wiped it down, got it nice and shiny. Today we are putting on a rim mount. Link for this will be in the description. Link for the backrest, sissy bar, whatever you want to call it, also be in the description. And for this light, that'll also be in the description. But yeah, so I got this mounts right to the handlebars, and my phone will stay in there, and it also has this thing to loop it around, some glue, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to put it on, hopefully, if I can figure it out. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, first thing you do is you grab these two U-bolts and figure out which one fits your bars. This one is way too big for mine, so we don't need that. Just throw it over there, and I'll probably forget about it and mow it over. This one fits perfect. So this is the one that you want. Well, I want. You might need that one. It's over there somewhere. Hoping you guys can see with that angle, but you probably can't. But anyways, you want to take your U-bolt, and this little piece slides in there, and then put it on here like so. And then you take the top, and it literally just slides down on like so. I don't really have a whole lot of threads there, but hopefully it'll be enough once I crank her down. It might be enough, because I really don't want to use that other one because it's really big. But anyway, basically just like that. I really hope you guys could see that. I don't know if you can or not, but anyway, now I just have to tighten it up, and that'll be basically something like that. That's how it's gonna sit. So, since you really couldn't see that, you stick that bottom piece in there. The top slides on, you put your nuts on. It's literally that simple. I'm hoping that's enough threads. Once I crank it down, it should work out just fine. So we'll find out. And then, yeah, that's just, kind of goes one of those. You put your phone in there, and it's supposed to hold it. Let me get this cranked down, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a second. Alright, so I got them tight. It's not going anywhere, it's super tight. It's an 11 millimeter. I couldn't get a socket on there because not enough room, but yeah, and I'll get the rest of it back on there. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put the glue on there. I'm assuming you put it on here, or maybe it's for to glue these on, but I don't have enough threads showing to do that. I'm just gonna put a dab of glue on the top there, like I showed y'all. Alright, glue is open. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing more than watch the camera, because I really don't want this all over the bike, if you know what I mean. Alright, now I'll put it back together. Give me 1 second, or 2 or 3 or whatever. Alright, we're actually sitting on the bike now. Got it all together. As you can see, it's not super tight, this piece, until I get the phone in there. I'm not sure, I'm probably not going to be able to do it one-handed, so here You literally just twist this. You can't see what I'm pointing at anyway. You literally just twist this to loosen and tighten. That way you can spin this around however you need it. You can turn this thing sideways, whatever you need to do. Alright, got my phone in there. Let me put my hand back here. Maybe it'll focus on the phone instead of outside. Got my phone in there. Like I said, you just squeeze these together and it goes right in there. And it's in there and it's not going anywhere. But in case you're worried about it going somewhere, you got this little strap type of deal. I don't really know exactly what they call it without looking it up. But you can pull that thing and it's super tight, especially with my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so it's not exactly the smallest phone. But you can see how them straps just go over the corners like that, and now it's definitely not going anywhere. And I can, like I said, you can turn this thing sideways so you can, yeah, use it for like GPS or whatever you need to do. But I'm thinking that that's going to be pretty much where I put it. I'm not 100% sure. Let me stand the bike up real quick here. Make sure that that's not going to be... nope. It's a little crooked right now, but I'll have to, you know, do some fine minor adjustments to it or whatnot. But I'm thinking that's probably going to be just fine. Not going to hit anything. That should be fine just like that. I hope. So yeah, if you guys stand by, actually I might make it another video because this video is probably going to be in the backrest installation video. I'm just going to put them both together because I don't think they're very long. I have a GoPro mount for my helmet, and I also have a handlebar one. So I have a Hero Session, and I also have the LCD Plus that I've been using up until now. So I should put Session on the helmet and the LCD one like right here somewhere, and we'll see how this thing's gonna do. That'll be a different video though. So yeah, there you go. How to install a rim mount on your motorcycle. If you guys like the content, give it a thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car dude. Be somewhere on your screen. And check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do on all the socials. See you guys.